Have you ever wondered if the breakfast you've been eating every morning is actually doing more harm than good? Many foods are marketed as healthy, quick, and perfect for starting your day, but nutrition experts often have a very different opinion. Some of the most popular breakfast choices are packed with added sugar, refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and very little nutrition. Instead of giving you lasting energy, they can leave you feeling hungry, tired, and craving even more food just a couple of hours later. Today, we're counting down some of the worst breakfasts according to nutritionists, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to avoid and what you can choose instead for a healthier start to your day. Let's begin with sugary breakfast cereals. They may look colorful, fun, and even claim to contain whole grains or added vitamins, but many breakfast cereals contain more sugar than you might expect. Some varieties have as much sugar as a dessert. When you eat a bowl of sugary cereal, your blood sugar rises very quickly. Your body releases insulin to lower that sugar, and shortly afterward your energy crashes, leaving you hungry again before lunchtime. Even cereals that advertise themselves as healthy can be loaded with added sweeteners, so it's always worth checking the nutrition label before buying. A better choice is plain oats topped with fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds, which provide fiber and help keep you full much longer. Next are flavored yogurts. Yogurt itself can be an excellent breakfast because it's rich in protein and beneficial bacteria that support gut health. The problem comes with many flavored versions sold in supermarkets. They often contain several teaspoons of added sugar hidden beneath fruit flavors and colorful packaging. Some fruit yogurts contain more sugar than a chocolate bar. Instead of choosing flavored yogurt, nutritionists recommend plain Greek yogurt. Add your own berries, banana slices, cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey if you need a little sweetness. You'll get much more protein with far less added sugar. Another breakfast that frequently appears on the unhealthy list is pastries. Croissants, donuts, sweet rolls, muffins, and Danish pastries may taste delicious, but they are usually made with refined white flour, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These foods are very low in fiber and protein, meaning they digest quickly and leave you hungry again not long after eating. Despite being high in calories, they provide very little nutritional value. While enjoying a pastry occasionally isn't a problem, making it your daily breakfast can contribute to weight gain and poor energy levels over time. Many people believe fruit juice is one of the healthiest ways to begin the day. After all, it's made from fruit, right? Unfortunately, fruit juice isn't the same as eating whole fruit. During processing, most of the fiber is removed, leaving behind mainly natural sugars. Drinking a large glass of orange juice can contain the sugar from several oranges, but without the fiber that normally slows sugar absorption. Whole fruits are a much better option because they contain fiber, vitamins, minerals, and keep you feeling satisfied much longer. Let's talk about pancakes and waffles. They are a favorite weekend breakfast for millions of people, but traditional recipes are made mostly from refined flour. Add butter, syrup, whipped cream, or chocolate chips, and what started as breakfast becomes closer to dessert. The combination of refined carbohydrates and sugar causes blood sugar spikes followed by crashes, which can affect your mood and concentration throughout the morning. If you love pancakes, consider making them with oat flour or whole wheat flour and topping them with fresh berries and Greek yogurt instead of syrup. Instant oatmeal may sound healthy because oats themselves are incredibly nutritious, but not all oatmeal is created equal. Many flavored instant oatmeal packets contain large amounts of added sugar, artificial flavorings, and very little real fruit. They cook quickly because they are more processed than traditional oats. While they're still a better option than many sugary cereals, plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats are a healthier choice. You can easily customize them with cinnamon, nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit without loading them with unnecessary sugar. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Breakfast sandwiches from fast food restaurants are another common choice when people are in a hurry. Unfortunately, many of these sandwiches contain processed meats like sausage or bacon, refined bread, processed cheese, and large amounts of sodium and saturated fat. Although they may provide protein, they can also contain hundreds of calories before your day has even started. Preparing a simple breakfast sandwich at home using whole grain bread, eggs, avocado, and fresh vegetables is usually a much healthier alternative. Granola has earned a healthy reputation over the years, but many store-bought versions are surprisingly high in sugar and calories. Manufacturers often add honey, syrups, oils, and dried fruits coated in sugar. A small serving can contain far more calories than people realize, and it's easy to pour much more than the recommended serving size into a bowl. Nutritionists suggest reading labels carefully or making homemade granola where you control the ingredients and sweetness. Another breakfast food that often fools people is breakfast bars. Many are marketed as high in protein, high in fiber, or made with whole grains. However, a closer look at the ingredients often reveals added sugars, syrups, chocolate coatings, and highly processed ingredients. Some breakfast bars are essentially candy bars with better marketing. They may be convenient, but they rarely provide the same nutrition as whole foods like fruit, yogurt, eggs, or oatmeal. White toast with jam is another breakfast that doesn't provide lasting energy. White bread is made from refined flour, which has much of its fiber removed. Adding sugary jam only increases the amount of simple carbohydrates. While this breakfast may taste comforting, it lacks enough protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you satisfied. Swapping white bread for whole grain bread and adding peanut butter, avocado, eggs, or cottage cheese creates a much more balanced meal. Many coffee shop drinks deserve a place on this list too. Fancy coffee beverages topped with whipped cream, flavored syrups, caramel sauce, and sweetened milk can contain hundreds of calories and as much sugar as several donuts. If your breakfast consists only of one of these drinks, you're essentially consuming a liquid dessert. Nutritionists recommend choosing black coffee or coffee with a small amount of milk while eating a balanced breakfast alongside it. Processed breakfast meats like bacon and sausage are also worth mentioning. While they provide protein, they often contain high amounts of sodium, saturated fat, and preservatives. Eating processed meats regularly has been associated with increased health risks over the long term. Instead of relying on bacon every morning, consider eggs, beans, smoked salmon, tofu, or lean turkey as healthier protein sources. One mistake many people make isn't eating unhealthy food. It's skipping breakfast altogether. While some people do well with intermittent fasting, many others end up becoming extremely hungry later in the day, leading to overeating and poor food choices. If you're someone who feels better eating breakfast, make it balanced with protein, fiber, and healthy fats rather than relying on sugary, processed foods. So what does a healthy breakfast actually look like? Nutritionists generally agree that the best breakfasts combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This combination keeps blood sugar more stable, provides steady energy, supports muscle health, and helps control hunger throughout the morning. Great examples include oatmeal with berries and nuts, Greek yogurt with fruit and seeds, whole grain toast with avocado and eggs, cottage cheese with fresh fruit, or a vegetable omelet served with whole grain bread. The truth is that no single food will ruin your health. Enjoying pancakes, pastries, or a sugary cereal occasionally isn't something to worry about. The real issue comes when these foods become everyday habits. Small improvements made consistently over time often have a much greater impact than trying extreme diets that are impossible to maintain. The next time you're shopping for breakfast foods, take a few extra seconds to read the nutrition label. Look for products with less added sugar, more fiber, and a good source of protein. Those simple choices can help you stay energized, satisfied, and healthier in the long run. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments which breakfast surprised you the most. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.